Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys the 3 different ways to format a table in Excel. So the first one is to simply select a value in your table, go Control A, which will select the whole table, go to Insert, and then Table. And then we've already selected the whole range, so just OK. Right. We want to give our table a decent name, so let's call it Stock Data Unfiltered, which is what we've called the worksheet, right? So let's have a look at another way. So simply again, we go Control A, and then instead of going to Insert, we can format this as a table, and then we get to pick the aesthetic that we want for the table. So let's go with this one. Cool, so we've selected the whole range. Nice, and let's give this another good name. So this is Telstra stock. So let's call it TLS. Awesome. So let's have a look at the last way to format a table. So again, it starts the same way. We're just going to go Control A, and then this way is using Excel shortcuts. So we're just going to hit Alt, and then N, and then T. And we do want to create the whole table. We've selected the whole range. Let's just hit OK. And again, let's give it a good name. So CBA. Awesome. So again, that was Control A to select the whole table, and then Alt NT. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.